Good morning, everybody. If you can't tell, we have snow. Today. I don't think anything's going to really stick other than the ground. Okay, so we have 28 degrees today. We're at 31% battery. That gives us 101 miles, and I think we're on hurry mode, or maybe standard. I kind of switched them around a little bit yesterday when I was driving, so I don't remember what I left it on. Alright, let's get going here. Well, let's just see if it'll go off the curb. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay, perfect. So, as you guys know, we do not have a level 2 charger yet. That's a spring project. So, it's been sitting out all night. Had a little snow covered on it, and I preconditioned the battery set to be ready by, well, not precondition the cabin, which gets the battery warmed up. It doesn't precondition the battery. I had the temperature interior set at 80 degrees. The defroster automatically comes on, of course, and it was probably ready in about, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It didn't take very long at all. I have the automatic heat warmer. I got the automatic steering wheel warm to come on. When I checked the app this morning, it said that it was cold, battery was cold, and it was limiting, I think, power. I tried to take a screenshot of it, and when I did that, I must have moved something because I couldn't get a screenshot of that. Anyway, by the time it preheated up, that message was gone. I'm going to try to check to see if there's region on here. Sometimes when they say if it's too cold, you won't get the region. So I'm just going to look to see if that's going to happen or not. We'll check it out when we get to the traffic circle. But this will be a good test for the winter for someone who maybe doesn't have a level 2 charger or lives somewhere. They can kind of see how it performs. Obviously, there's some areas that are a lot more freezing type temperatures than we are. Yeah, see, we got the green, so we got region. And we're only at 28 degrees, so I mean, yes, it's cold, but we do get colder. A little bit of backup today for 9:44 in the morning, and I wasn't really expecting this. I don't know if something's... Oh, Yeah, I can see up ahead. You guys hardly can't, but the whole traffic circle's backed up. Oh, and there must have been, I wonder if there's an accident somewhere. I do like the way that it's staying right here, so if anybody needs to turn left, it's not blocking that particular pathway. The roads are slippery this morning, and you would think that people who live here, they would understand this concept of cold, rain equals ice, but everybody has to drive like complete idiots. We could actually move up. I'm just going to tell it can move up a little bit. I have a funny feeling 201 South, it's a bridge. My guess is there's an accident. Yep, I see a fire ambulance thing coming in the traffic circle. Shoot. Whoops, I didn't realize my radio was on. Crap, I'll probably get dinged for that on YouTube if I post this. Hopefully it wasn't too loud. Okay, well, You guys can just fast forward to this part. I'm just gonna stick here. Oh, there's police. Looks like they're on the other side, like going to 201 north, maybe. Let's see, where are they going? So we need to go to the right. So let's see what this is going to do. Okay, this is perfect. That was done well. Trying to see. We actually can go. I'm just going to tell it it can go. It doesn't need to stop. So I'm thinking it must be 201, oh sorry, 201 south. I misspoke. 201 north is where I'm heading. 201 south. Yeah, because look at all the traffic over here. So something happened. Both these areas off that traffic circle are bridges, and look, you can see how the ice, hopefully you can see that. See how this is icy? This is what happens in the northern states when we have our first kind of snowfall and it's 28 degrees. So you just have to be super careful. You can't just go flying around, and unfortunately that's what a lot of people do, and then you just inconvenience everybody, and what did you gain? Nothing. So I am on FSD. We're gonna see how this does. I mean, so far so good. See if it slips at all. Oh, you know what I could do? Let me see here. Where are our... Oh, what are those things called? Oh yeah, look, there's an accident here too. It's all over the place. Yep, there's one here. 1, 2. Looks like 2 cars were involved there. There obviously is one on 201 north heading towards Binghamton University because that's backed up. So... And then you have stupid people like this that just pull right in front of other people. Alright, what am I looking for? Controls? No. Dynamics, towing, charging, outlet, autopilot, locks, display, safety. Safety? No. When you're trying to look for something on the fly, display, no, not displays. I'm looking for autopilot, maybe. I was looking, there's a snow mode, but it's alright. I'll find it later. I don't care at this point. So anyway, we don't really need it on right yet. So my thought for when we actually do get snow, these are just considered flurries, I would take the Cybertruck, significant snow, not when we have like a little couple inches on it. Well, I don't know, maybe I'll do that too. So I thought I would take the Cybertruck out first with me driving it to see how I handle it, see what it does, test the braking, sharp braking, going around corners, you know, that kind of thing, because this is a new vehicle, so I don't yet know how it performs. And then I do the same loop in FSD to see if it performs differently. So they'd have to be pretty quick back to back. But we still have a, well, I don't know, we're what, mid-November? So maybe in another month we might be getting some more significant snow, but we'll see. flying out tomorrow. Hopefully. We are supposed to, I think it's snow tomorrow. Traveling down to Pennsylvania and Wilkes-Barre. Oh, I'm in standard mode. So the snow and wind is coming directly at us. It's almost creating like those wind tunnel effects to see how aerodynamic is. I don't know if you can see, but it's really interesting to watch the snow coming at us and how it literally just is zooming right over the windshield. It's not even hitting the windshield. Which is why bugs a lot of times very rarely get on the windshield, is because of the way the aerodynamics is with the slope of the windshield. Now, of course, as we slow down, it does, but... Oh. Okay, that was interesting. I don't know if it thought it was a white line or it slowed down because there was snow there. Don't know if you guys caught that. There's a patch of white snow, kind of like here. And it immediately slowed down and went over it. And I don't even have the slippery snow mode on. Let's see what it does with this patch up here. This is kind of... Oh, look at that. It's slowing down. Now, does it think it's snow and it knows to slow down? Or does it think it's a white line that it needs to stop at? I don't know, but it's going slow. Where are you going? Now, I don't know what this behavior is. That's different. Wow, okay. Don't not know. What are my cameras looking like? Oops. Oh, the front camera looks good. Wow, that was a very weird behavior. It's never done that before here. I don't know what that was. It's very strange. I don't know, the snow's throwing it off. All the whiteness, they're thinking it's lines, so it's confusing it a little bit. Well, I'm sure we'll have more when I come back out on my next trip. But this is kind of fascinating to see what it does in this type of weather because it's not extreme at all. So you can tell on the cars how it the snow is accumulated. Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay, that works. Alright, we're gonna straighten it up a little bit. Okay. That works. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and if this video turns out decently, we'll post it. Even if it doesn't, I might just post it anyway. Alright, take care and we will catch you on the next one.